All right, you guys, I'm at Lumen Field, which is the home of the Seahawks. They're gonna play the 49ers. I'm gonna eat a lot of food today. I'm gonna bring you through all the different eats that this stadium has to offer, but I'm gonna start with something that is known for great street food. This food is special to the city, and it's a Seattle dog. That's right. It looks like a regular hot dog, but it's not, because guess what they do? They put cream cheese on this hot dog. I've never seen this anywhere else in the country, in the world, so it's really unique. So I bought one of these. I actually got invited by the Seahawks, so thank you so much for having me. They have this tailgate party thing going on, and so this is the first thing I'm gonna try here at this game, so I'm excited. Austin's here with me too, because I need help eating all these foods. The cool thing is, Seattle dogs, you can get all over the city, but if you're gonna come to the game, not only can you get it in the stadium, it's all over the place around here. So I highly suggest starting your day with it, especially if you're from out of town or you've never had it before. This is pretty messy, so.
They loaded that thing up.
You gotta get all the grilled onions too. That's another thing that's unique. Is that a Seattle dog thing?
I think it is, yeah. Cream cheese, onions, on a great hot dog.
You know what though? I should have put mustard on it. That would have really topped it off.
Okay.
Yeah. Like I said, great way to start your day off if you're coming here to Lumen Field is get one of these Seattle dogs. I'm gonna eat this up and then we're gonna head into the game. All right, those are the Super Bowl numbers, the championship we won. We just got into the stadium and we're gonna go check out the field. I've been on the field before, it's actually pretty cool. So we're just gonna see them warm up and then we're gonna go find something else to eat. This is cool. I'm gonna get the poke nacho, and then also we're gonna do the ramen. Only one kind of ramen, 2 bottles of water, and then a premium beer, please. Okay, so we just got back from the field. That was really cool. I got to do that a long time ago, but it's always such an experience seeing all the players down there. But now we're hungry again. It's been a while, and there's a lot of walking. And one of the things I love about this stadium, they have different types of foods that you wouldn't think to find at a football game. We just got to Bar Dojo, and this is one of their options, a poke nachos, and they're looking amazing. Great presentation, and it was really fast too, I like that. Austin, he got some ramen. This is birria ramen. So if you know about birria tacos, they made a take on ramen with the birria meat. So that's really cool. We're gonna grub on these. I also got myself a beer because, you know, gotta have a beer when you're having nachos. I should probably down some water because I'm gonna be eating and drinking a lot today. I've had poke nachos at other restaurants, but never looked this good, funny enough. You know what? That's bomb. Decent fish. Whatever sauce is on this, great flavor. And these wonton chips are super crispy. I feel like I'm in Hawaii right now. Green onions are underrated, and they don't skimp on the green onions here. How's the ramen?
It's very good. It's unique. I think that I like the spiciness level. It's not too spicy, but there's enough kick. It's great. Perfect for a day like this. Cold.
I know.
Warm soup.
Ramen at a stadium.
Yeah, that's right.
A lot of Asian food here. Okay, our next spot, Ivar's. One thing that people love to eat when they're here in the Seattle area is seafood. And our #1 restaurant, at least like I'd say for fried fish or just easy fast food eats, Ivar's. So I'm gonna get some clam chowder because it's bomb. And also if you're gonna tempt me, I don't know if this is popular in other cities, but garlic fries. It's called Grounders, world famous garlic fries. Yeah, they have it here too. So this with some chowder, I'm for it. I'm gonna get Ivar's clam chowder.
Okay.
And then the garlic fries. Thank you. Wow, thank you.
Enjoy the game.
By the way, already both times we've ordered, the food is so fast. They prepare it ahead of time, I guess, and it's just all ready. And because they know people are gonna order it, you don't have to wait for it to be cooked. So even the French fries came out fresh and fast. Delta Sky Club. Okay, so the game's about to start, but like I said, garlic fries. They have this at other stadiums in Seattle too. Just imagine minced up garlic tossed in with freshly made fries. So good. This is for the garlic lovers.
Number 22.
It's unlike any kind of French fry you ever had. So flavorful. Highly recommend it. So Ivar's was founded here in Seattle since 1938, I guess. But even though you wouldn't think about clam chowder in Seattle, definitely a must try, and you can get it at the stadium while watching the football game. I'll put this up against any clam chowder in the country. But be careful, you will burn your mouth on this stuff. This might be my favorite thing at the stadium. I wasn't kidding when I said there's a lot of garlic in this. This ain't that. If you're on a date with somebody, you don't want that garlic breath, this is not for you. Yeah! Okay, that was a horrible first half. So we need to drown our sorrows some beer. And I don't know if you know, but the Pacific Northwest, we have some of the best beer, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite breweries, and they have a stand here. Elysian Brewing. I'll get an Elysian and a Rainier, please. So Elysian is a brewery based out of Seattle. I've never had this contact taste, but Austin actually got Rainier beer, which, did you know, Austin, Rainier Beer Company or Rainier Brewery is almost 150 years old. Yes, it's older than the state of Washington. Yeah, every day you learn something new. They were a brewery before Washington wasn't officially a state.
That's insane.
Yeah, I think they still brew in Seattle, which is pretty cool. But yeah, Rainier is the name of the tallest mountain in Washington State. But it wasn't the tallest when they first started, though.
What do you mean?
Well, because it was, what do you call it? What's the other mountain?
Oh, St. Helens.
St. Helens,
Was
yeah.
it really taller?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
And after it exploded,
My whole life, I always thought
it became shorter, and then Rainier was the tallest mountain.
Dropping the fun facts. I like
There
it.
you go, fun facts. Anyways, Rainier Beer, solid Seattle beer company. Elysian, actually, I like Elysian better myself. Another cool thing about this place, they really support local eateries, local restaurants, local breweries, obviously. You kind of get a tour of Seattle if you want to eat and drink here. The game's playing right now, but we're actually on our way to go get pizza because that's our last thing. And I'm surprisingly not full yet. I think because I'm a little bit depressed of the first half. So I need to eat some pizza, drink some beer, which, by the way,
Football left. There's still a chance.
we still got a whole half left. It just wasn't looking so good. Found it. I've actually never been to the restaurant, but Tutta Bella is a local pizza chain. So let's see how it is. How do you get through? Oh, it's a contactless. Hey, I'm gonna follow you, okay?
Okay.
So he's never seen this before.
Yeah.
It's like Amazon Go had this. I think it's powered by Amazon, by the way.
Okay, yeah.
We're such nerds. Okay, let's go.
We good?
This is basically contactless entering. I wonder if I have to do it too. If I go in, do I have to scan too? Or can I just go in? Yeah, I'll go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, go ahead. There we go. Oh, cool. All right, so look at that. So there's no cashiers here. That's pretty cool. You can literally grab a beer. Do they got Rainier? No, but they got these other ones.
What do you think? Cheese, pepperoni?
Looks like that's all the options. Cheese and pepperoni.
There's
Okay.
a sausage that's being made too, but
All right, we're gonna do pepperoni. Okay, you just grab the pizza. And this is like magic. We just walk out together. That's it. That's it.
I feel like I just stole this.
You didn't, because I paid for it.
Oh, thank you.
Because we walked out together.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Okay, now we should find our seats. Okay, so actually, you know, Judy and I, we went into an Amazon fresh grocery store, and you walk in, you get everything you need, and you walk out, no cashier. And so I guess they're applying it to these grab-and-go stores, including pizza. That's kind of wild, though.
I feel like it makes a ton of sense in a stadium, though. It's
Oh,
such
totally,
a good
yeah,
idea for
yeah.
a stadium.
Now let's see how quickly it charges my phone. I didn't even look at the price, so I don't mind finding an elevator.
Okay.
We literally got about 8,000 steps during this game. The security guard, he said, hey, it's only up one more level. I mean, these are pretty long ramps, though.
I'm burning my calories today.
I know. It's all good. I love getting my steps in.
Yeah.
Unfortunate, they're literally scoring as we're walking around, getting back to our seat. Tutabella. Oh, yeah. So this is a Neapolitan style pizza, as you can see. Some nice leoparding. Did you know that's what it's called, leoparding?
Yeah, you've mentioned that to me.
Okay, yeah. Bottom looking aight. Okay, let's just try this now. Ooh, didn't really come out well. That's a good crust. That's a good crust. Woo! Yeah! The pizza is good look. False alarm. This is the most quiet I've ever heard the stadium. It's gotten really quiet. The suspense right now. Yeah! Touchdown, baby! We got 2 more minutes left. We're down by 2 touchdowns. We're in the end zone, so it's critical. This is a critical play. Dang it. No. 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 Oh, my God. That's it. Molly Moon's Ice Cream. It's a local ice cream shop that you go to after your team loses. A very crucial game.
Consolation prize.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah, anyways. Molly Moon's, another local business. That wasn't the best game, but I still had fun. And I go there for the game, of course, because I'm a fan of the Seahawks. I also go there for the food. It was cool trying all these different places. I was shocked that every single business that we went to was a local restaurant or food spot. So what'd you think about the food today?
I was blown away. Actually, I think the pizza was my favorite.
Oh, really?
I was sort of shocked by that, but
Yeah.
I really, really enjoyed it.
Mine was the Ivar's clam chowder. It
Yeah.
is a classic for the Seattle area.
You can't go wrong with that.
If you're going to a Seahawks game, it's fun to have, you know, a hot dog or, you know, a Seattle dog, a beer, but try some of the other foods. Seattle is just known for having great eats at their stadiums. In the Seahawks stadium, Lumen Field, one of the best.
Yeah, agreed.
All right, and then, like I said, they probably have ice cream there, but Molly Moon's, that's a spot to go if you're in Seattle and you want some good ice cream.